Yeah, nice cool day, good performance. Airplane just jumps off the ground. Yeah, pretty, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
So you see this direction, you get that nice golden light.
Nice.
Builds, and then when we turn, it'll kind of go, we'll have the sun in our eyes. We'll be wishing for your visor. It can be pretty too, but it's just very different.
Mexico traffic, Comanche 6 is approximately 6 miles west of the field. We'll be en route for runway 6. We're on the practice RNAV approach. Mexico traffic.
It's always entertaining to see people on the radio what they announce, because sometimes they say they're this direction and they're not. Other times, it's a thing.
It's a thing.
That's why you gotta pay attention. And this, you kind of have them on. You have the information on them in the sense that, I mean, that's the information. We're all pretty good. Yeah, we got traffic out here. I guess it's such a nice day.
Well, there were lots taking off when I was in the...
I know, yeah, there were 2 planes that were taking off.
Greenfield traffic's coming inside Mike runway, turning final, runway 9er, Greenfield.
Shadows are getting longer. Fun when you see cows with their big shadows. They're
Oh yeah, that's
fun to watch.
not a lot of cattle out here, is it?
No, not right here. I'm trying to see, because you'll often get a few pastures around, but
Not many.
I don't see any. Like north of Mexico, there's a few, and then I know side stricker, you know, the Angus.
Might have a few.
Mexico traffic, experimental 9er, Romeo Delta, clear the runway, Mexico.
Mexico traffic, experimental 750 Zulu Whiskey is 2 miles inbound Mexico. Yeah, Mexico traffic, experimental 750 Zulu Whiskey is entering left downwind for 06, Mexico. And Mexico traffic, experimental is turning left base for runway 6, Mexico.
I'm turning base.
And Mexico traffic, experimental is turning base to final, runway 6, Mexico.
Flaps in. My shadow. Okay, put the flaps up. And we're gonna go.
Nice job. I thought it would be colder in here.
Yeah, I have cabin heat too. Pull on it.
I'm okay, but
Yeah.
I did think it would be cold.
It can get cold. Yeah, it's a nice day though. And we drop the wing, and then you're like turning inside.
Okay.
That's why when you turn, I saw you use rudder and you use ailerons together, and you can get a nice turn, and it makes it more fun.
Well, Friday night fun.
Mexico traffic, experimental is final on runway 6, Mexico.
I'm way up high, so I'm going to slow it right there. And then I'm going to put flaps in. might make our ears pop.
Ears pop much when you fly?
No, but when you change, we're gonna drop a lot of altitude. We're gonna drop, 15 or too quickly. So it might tell me if you'll feel it in the ears. It usually doesn't bother me much. Fast. You got flaps, you got a maximum speed. Can't go too fast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cruzer traffic, Cherokee forward Whiskey. I am 5 miles east at 2000. I am going to enter the left 45, or the 45 to the left downwind of runway 9er, Greensfield.
Landing a bit long, and then I'll have to slow it down, but it worked. What time is it?
I'm 36.
Oh, okay, so probably should call it a day. Right? Because by the time I get it in the hangar and stuff,